Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cleaning hack. In today's video, I will show you why you should clean your toilet with shaving cream. If you want to clean your toilet very quickly, or you realize you are out of toilet bowl cleaner, don't hesitate to use shaving cream. It will do a great job too. Spray the toilet bowl and the toilet brush with shaving foam, then distribute it all over and clean thoroughly. Shaving cream is an amazing cleaner for the toilet bowl because it contains isopentan, that is a degreaser that breaks down sebum, so this will dissolve all the nastiness into your toilet bowl. Soap that clearly cleans. Alcohol, it disinfects. Coconut acid, when saponified, it's used in shaving cream as a source of surfactants and cleaning agents. Shaving cream eliminates very well urine smells and can effectively help to get rid of bathroom odors. If you have this kind of issue, all you have to do is spray and smear a generous layer of the foam around the toilet and rim and leave it for 10 to 30 minutes before wiping off with a mop and hot water. The urine smell will disappear. The toilet area will smell fresh and clean. After 2 or 3 flushes, you can see the toilet is sparkling clean and shiny, and I wish you could smell the lovely scent. Wipe the upper area with paper towel and you are done. A spotless and shiny toilet, bacteria and germ free. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever used shaving cream to clean your toilet. I did other videos regarding toilet cleaning or bathroom cleaning. If you're interested, I will link some of them at the end. If you want to learn how to clean other areas in your home or other cleaning hacks, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this. The last thing to do is to put back the block freshener. I love this one from Bref that makes the water blue. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it and see you next time. Bye!